Contractors using the Activate OS Fleet product are seeing a ton of different successes today. One of the most important successes is the 20% increase in uptime that they see as a result of putting the power in the hands of operators. They're also seeing a heightened level of accountability across their organization, as each operator has to perform a daily pre-shift inspection. What this in turn does is creates accountability with how those operators are operating the machines, but also leads to a faster issue resolution timeline, and most importantly, a reduction in repair and maintenance costs, as we're able to identify those small issues before they turn into catastrophic failures. Lastly, contractors that are leveraging the Activate OS Fleet product have full access to their inspection history, maintenance records, service logs, and anything that has been done on that asset. So when they go to remarket that asset through Machinery Trader, Tractor House, or Auction Time, and a buyer inquires, they're able to provide them with a full asset history to instill a heightened level of buyer confidence.